Doc, thank you so much for coming so soon. This way.
Your fridge will live! Not only can we heal your fridge, but our appliance wellness program can keep all your appliances from getting sick. Also, our dryer fire prevention can keep your house from going up in flames. You can have peace of mind knowing all of your appliances are healthy and your home is safe. Look us up at DocDanielson.com.